I bet this just all loops around. Somebody's definitely been taking care of these roads though. Yeah, this sucks. Not too deep on the right.
I had to throw this thing into the weeds and get on the other side of it to get down that hill.
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Like, just look at the vegetation around here. Like, it's thick, man. Crazy. Gosh, this is wild.
This trail seems relatively new to me.
Yeah, it does on it.
You know, like there's still some dirt in the center that hasn't settled.
It's because not too many people made it up that first hill. Nah, something big's been out here. I mean, obviously.
Yeah, dude, this is all pretty new. Oh shit.
What? Oh, jeez. Oh, no. Yeah, I don't think I'm doing that. I don't think we're making that.
On a dry day?
Yeah, on a dry day.
Not on a day like today.
Not today, I don't think.
Alright, we'll turn around.
Like to know where it comes out.
All right, so are you wanting to hit it then?
I don't know, motocross tires for sure, but
yeah,
worn dual sport tires, I'm not so sure.
Okay, well we'll head back out.
I mean, what do you think?
I think it's a real iffy.
Yeah.
And if you're wanting to go a lot further, you probably shouldn't mess around with a whole lot of iffy.
Okay. Good call. Another place we know to explore though.
Yeah, yeah. Now we got two more trail systems to explore.
Check out, yeah.
Yeah.
Probably a good call. I have a feeling this might loop back to the other place I was at before, but I don't really know that.
Yeah, just swinging?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just waiting to take me out. This is some pretty raw dual sporting though.
Oh yeah.
I mean, that's why those guys didn't speak to us. They're like, well, those things are street legal.
Yeah, so I was wondering if he was pissed because we were up there, or if he was trying to figure out if we were on regular dirt bikes. Then I thought for a second he might have thought, holy shit, these guys are on street legal motorcycles and have been up here riding, like, knowing how gnarly it was. But more than likely he's just mad because this is hunting leash property.
Yeah.
And we pay big money for this leash. You want to really hold the brakes because it's tough to stay to get stopped.
It's weird. I feel like I need a lower first gear, but then I need a higher first gear coming up.
I doubt you want to go explore that really overgrown one right there, huh?
Probably not.
Probably not today.
Woo.
Well, we rode just enough to know there's some good riding out here and we need to come back.
Yeah, that's true.
We can plan this for either the, either the annual 2022 ride or 2023 or 2024. We'll get a.
Yeah, we could make just a day out of this on 2022 probably.
Yeah.
I should probably replace this foot peg that I just bent in half. I just like it because there's not a lot of people know about this stuff, I don't think. So, kind of.
Yeah,
neat.
And a lot of this stuff, like this, there's really like nowhere you can bring your truck and trailer and unload.
Yeah, yeah.
So there's not a lot of people riding it.
Yeah.
But if we're just popping in off the street anyway,
yeah,
they won't even know we're back here.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
How much gas I lost. What a goon.
I wish I would have seen it, but probably if you would have went first, I'd have been so close behind you, I'd have wrecked too. I try to follow you to get the shots on film, but that's probably the dumbest thing you could do.
Dude, you've had that DR in some nasty spots.
Oh my gosh, dude.
And we only ride once a year.
I know. I only ride a few times a year, and it's never the same bike enough to get like super comfortable.
Yeah.
And super confident and capable on the same bike.
Yeah.
Not to mention, none of them have suspensions been serviced in the last decade, springs set for me, or anything like that.
Suspension service, what's that?
Yeah.
That'd probably be a good idea on this thing. Woo, that's slippery. I might have to change batteries here and there too. Maybe when we get out of here, stop and I'll change batteries real quick.
Cool.
Should have brought another memory card too.
I brought the other camera.
Oh, okay.
So if you want to grab some stuff with it, you can.
Okay.
These new let's just stop right here.
Okay.
Instead of the road. These new Heroes, man, the battery, if you're on 1080, it'll last almost 2 hours.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's really nice. I finally sold my 8. Running on all the new big batteries now.
I'll sweat my butt off. I wanted to take a breather for a minute.
Yeah, I might grab a drink of water. Yeah, you normally do, so I figured I should.